Remaining childish is a tremendous state of innocence. Sometimes the most positive thing you can be in a boring society is absolutely negative. Love is 2 minutes and 52 seconds of squelching noises. I hate death. It takes people away from you. You're left feeling rudderless. Freedom isn't to do what you want at somebody else's expense. I mean, the genuine roots of culture is folk music. I like crazy people, especially those who don't see the risk. Find Lady Gaga hilarious. And I kind of like her. My heart's warm to her. I have one major problem with the internet: it's full of liars. Do not stand in the middle, go to the right or to the left. I love pop music. It's not easy to write a good pop song. People think I hate the royal family, but that's not true. I have a sensible set of values that tell me to never lie. Me, as a human, I never want to take away another human being's choices or lifestyles or anything. People should never allow themselves to be dictated to by media. I'm not here for your amusement. You're here for mine. I never thought of Green Day as a punk band. Just bubble gum, really. There's nothing glorious in dying. Anyone can do it. I don't tolerate liars. When somebody lies to me, that's really, just unbearable. You'll find that empty vessels make the most sound. If you give me the chance, I'll destroy America for you. I think national pride leads to nothing but wars and hate. 1. I love books, and all the best ones are people analyzing their own emotions. You can learn from that.